Hi guys, my name is Jen Slade, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about why you may want to consider adopting a cupping practice for yourself at home. So you've probably seen me talk a good bit about cupping here on this page for a while. I am a big fan of cupping. I do a lot of cupping in my personal bodywork practice and in my personal life in my self-care routine outside of work as well. So one thing that I've found recently is that I am suggesting to a lot of my clients that they potentially start developing a cupping self-care routine at home. And there are a few reasons for that. Number one being is that I'm just really big on homework, on self-care, on showing up for yourself in a little increment every day and consistently doing the work. And that's what gets us results. You can come in for a massage once every few weeks, once a month, once every 6 weeks, whatever it is that is your schedule that works best for your body. And that will do so much, and it helps so much, and it does reset muscle memory. And obviously there are different treatment protocols and different frequencies in which somebody would come in for a bodywork session, depending on what your goals are. And that's unique for everybody. But what I am finding, and I guess what I've always kind of known, is that the more that we consistently work on these issues, the more that we can impact real healing in the tissue and in our bodies over time. And also, just the more that you work on it, the faster you're going to see results. So I am starting to transition more toward teaching my clients about self-body work, self-care, including cupping and other self-care tools that they can utilize at home, especially now with this COVID pandemic. A lot of people are seeking more ways to work with themselves, like work on themselves at home, and to help keep their pain at bay naturally. There are just so many things that we can do for ourselves within our homes. So I really like cupping for a lot of different things. One thing I cup on myself a lot is neck and shoulders. I'll just take like a silicone squeeze release cup and I'll just kind of go through here. I'll do some gliding work. I have some cups I use on my wrists a lot, especially as a massage therapist. I find I get a lot of tightness in my hands and wrists, so I do a lot of self-massage there, but I also find that just doing some cupping work can be really, really effective. Low back I've cupped. As a runner, I cup my calves a lot, especially summertime. I do a lot of beach running, and if you've ever gone for a run on the beach, you probably know, like, when you wake up the next day and you like go to get out of bed and like can't stand because your calves are so dang tight. Yeah, so I do a lot of calf cupping, quads, and also facial. I love doing facial cupping. It's a great way to help clear out lymph. I find that it helps my skin heal and look a lot more healthy. As someone who does have some scarring from acne, I do find that cupping helps in general to break down a lot of that. While I don't have any big scars that cause me any myofascial pain in my body, I'm very fortunate in that way. I also recommend cupping strongly for clients of mine who have cesarean scars or scarring from any kind of orthopedic surgery or accidents, injuries. Cupping can be really, really effective as a daily protocol for helping to break down scar tissue and increase mobility in those areas over time. So if you are interested in learning more about how to cup yourself at home, keep your eyes peeled right here, because I am going to be creating some more videos around treating specific issues and just more information on how to cup yourself in general. So if you find that helpful, definitely tune in. If you have any specific requests, feel free to reach out, and I will see you on here. Thanks for tuning in.